People's Democratic Front (PDF) Working President Bante Dor Lyngdoh said the party will contest in 15 to 20 seats in Khasi Jaintia Hills in the upcoming Assembly election 2023. Optimistic of winning more seats in the upcoming Assembly poll, the PDF leader said the number of its legislators will see an increase. When asked about the report that PDF MLAs are in touch with Conrad Sangma-led NPP and likely to switch allegiance, Lyngdoh said, nothing is official now, and if the legislators leave the party, the vacuum will be filled accordingly.
The PDF, they are doing well, I'll tell you, last election. And this election, even more seat we will get, which we got last time, 4 seats. And so many candidate, and so many I'll tell the people of the state also, they are looking to us, and then we hope that this time we'll get more seats because we are more stronger than